we're doing, I'm going to ask you a question, all right? So we can see these posters that we made yesterday with the rubbish and also with our Waste-Free Wednesday programs. So I want to ask you why we do it. So if you know the answer, put your hand up. Why do we do these programs, all right? Why have we got Waste-Free Wednesday? Why have we got these rubbish on posters here? Is it just for fun? No. There's a reason. Ayan, shake nice and loud, please.
So that we can make the environment better.
So we can make the environment better. Visualize what kind of rubbish we are creating. When we put our rubbish in the bin, can we see inside or the bin is closed? So this is a reason. When we see the rubbish coming through and we see it, I want us to think about how we individually, as all of us, could help to use less rubbish, okay? We can see here, they've displayed it here. So receptions, we're going to try and think about, come through here boys, come through here with me. Maybe some less rubbish that we can use, all right? So well done to those reception boys. You can just come through here.
Today we will be talking about World Oceans Day. World Oceans Day, celebrated annually on June 8th, is a global initiative to raise awareness about the vital role of oceans in supporting life on Earth and to encourage action for their protection. This day serves as a platform to understand our connection with the ocean and to inspire individuals to contribute to its conversation.
What is the purpose of World Ocean Day? The day aims to raise awareness about the importance of oceans for human survival and well-being, highlighting their role in food production, medicine and climate regulation.
Global participation. Over 140 countries participate in World Oceans Day, demonstrating a global commitment to ocean protection. This is all the rubbish we collected. Thank you for listening, everyone, and have a great day.
Thank you, Year 3s. Yep. Now, if we cut down our rubbish, we can help save the oceans. Year 3s, you did remind me as well. Some of this rubbish does end up in the ocean, which can affect the wildlife, okay, and the nature that might think that it's food. Very good. Now, Year 5 is quite a big class, and they've collected lots of their rubbish here, okay, to show and maybe help them think about how they can cut down with their rubbish. So thanks to Year 5 girls. I've said here, put your rubbish in the bin, okay? So we're not going to leave it out there. I know we like to watch the soccer teams play. Lots of the rubbish ends up on the floor, all right, which damages the environment and maybe the oceans as well. So thanks to the Year 6s for showing us some of the rubbish that we can help cut down on. So let's go.
World Ocean Day. The benefits of that day is we can change our life, animals' life, and clothes life. It is truly an amazing day with benefits that take for us. They make people stop polluting the ocean, like not throwing rubbish on the floor. The rubbish has to go in the bin. People still on the beach and everywhere throw their rubbish. That rubbish goes in the water or anywhere. It kills the sea creatures around it. It gets stuck to them and that kills them. They can't swim properly and freely. Would you like that to happen? No.
So let's all work together on that. And I'll finish just thanking Ms. Usman and the STEM committee for all the work with this.